Hello?
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you for asking. My name is John. I'm calling from a large computer company who installed security on your computer.
Oh, yes, I really need security on my computer.
Are you having any trouble, sir?
Uh, no, it's just I like to go to patriotic websites, and sometimes the Russians and the communists, I'm worried they'll hack the websites and then hack me.
Oh, okay. There's a reason, sir. I'm calling you to inform you that we are getting some security alert from your computer. Might there are some virus attack.
Oh no. I,
But don't worry, sir. We will update new security on your computer. We will download latest security.
okay, what do I need to do?
Are you in front of the computer?
No, let me get over there.
Okay.
Just another flight of stairs. Excuse me, I haven't been this same since I got coronavirus. Just another flight.
Okay. You have
Okay,
coronavirus?
yeah, it's been hard to breathe lately, and I've been vomiting a lot, and I've had diarrhea a lot, and I don't taste anything right now. All right, I'm in front of the computer. What do I do now?
Just open the Google.
Okay, so I'm going to. You want me to go to Google?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, so I just went to Google. It pulled up something that says Google Cluster Summer Chefs Series, Design Your Own Candy Bar. Is that where you are?
Now you have to open google.com.
Oh, Google.com. Okay. Yeah, when I open google.com, I still see Google Cluster online, find Nashville news and contact, and it says design your own candy bar, and it says the original Southern confection from the Standard Candy Company made in Nashville. And I also see recipes, news and specials, and shop with us. And then below, Standard Candy Company, contact, buy online, corporate gifts, find, and about.
Okay, let's do one thing. Look at your computer keypad.
Yes, sir. Uh huh.
Left hand side on very down, on very bottom, there will be, what do you see there?
Well, I see C as in Charlie, T as in Tango, R as in Romeo, L as in Lima.
And next to that,
I see F as in Foxtrot, N as in November.
and next to that,
I see A as in Alpha, L as in Lima, T as in Tango.
and before this one.
Uh, I see F as in Foxtrot, N as in November.
So there is no Windows key.
Uh, well,
Four square.
well, the only window I have in the house is an Anderson window. It's right behind me. It was installed a few decades ago by some very good contractors, and it has this insulated
Okay,
glass.
listen to me. You have a coronavirus, right?
That's right. Uh huh.
So God bless you.
Okay.
All right, take care.
You too.